Check these puppies out. Look at these. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. That's a good one.
Holy smokes.
There we go. Nice little cluster. Oh, I see a 5th one.
Oh man, there's a whole.
You got more over there, Bob?
Yeah.
Let me see what you got.
Got these here and then this whole cluster right here.
Dang, oh my goodness. There's that cluster and one up above it too.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
That is awesome. That is awesome. This is what I'm talking about. You find a spot that nobody's been at and you know there's mushrooms, take your time. Because more often than not, you're going to run into another area that's already been picked over. If you're in the mushrooms, take your time, slow down, look around, and you'll get into them. So remember I always talk about getting a GPS and marking your spots so you can come back and find them next year? Well, we just arrived at a spot that had my GPS that last year had lots of chanterelles. And I plucked every one of them, and guess what? They came back again. So whether you pick or pluck, doesn't matter. Do what makes you. But check these guys out. Look at them. Bam! Look at these. We got mushrooms here. We got one here. Look at this cluster. Oh my goodness. And yet, look. Oh ho! There's more. We're not done yet. Look at those babies. Oh, there's more there too. Oh my goodness, look, there's more there too. I better pick these before Bob comes over. Because these are mine. Mine. So we're in another nice patch of mushrooms. Check these puppies out. I want here to get this guy here. Then I look over. Hello, family. And look, there's another one up there. And there's more growing out over here. So, like I said, this is a spot I've been to many times. And every year they come back. And this is a huge flush of yellow chanterelles. So, oh, there's another one right here. Check it out. Look. Under here. Oh, that's not just one. There's a couple of them. Oh, and those are going to be big. Big and fluffy. Let's see if I can do it without screwing it up. Oh yeah. I'll get those two out. And then I got one more growing out of the fern. How about that? Nice. Let's take a look. Kind of this area over here. Check out what we're doing. We just came down this huge slope. This is northeast facing. This is what we found a lot of our mushrooms on today, but I saw a glimpse of something over here. I want to see what we got. Let's check it out. Oh, yes. Look at what we've got here. Hello, friends. Oh, my goodness. And look over here and over here. This is pretty fantastic. These are all thick and chunky, perfect shape. Good stuff. Let's get a few of these guys and pack it up. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at those. Look at these guys too. Man, oh man. Oh yeah, yes. Nice cluster here. I think I'm gonna cut this guy. Oh yeah. Look at that nice family. Beautiful. Let's cover up the holes. Nice. Check out this nice little chunky dude right here. He's got a couple little guys in there. But look at here. Look at. Oh boy. Look at this one growing out of the wood. Got this guy. And these. Do a little surgery to get these guys out. Oh boy, that's a good one. These guys just find a way with nature. Look at that. Oh wait, there's more. There's another nice cluster here. There's a moldy one in there, but we'll leave those. But look at those. Beautiful. Oh wait, there's another one right here. Right under the duft. Oh boy, it's a small one there. We'll leave it. When you're in the shrooms, you're just in the shrooms. So Bob and I have moved up to about 1,600 feet. We're now in an area that has been really good for lobsters and chanterelles for me in the past. So we've already seen a few. They were kind of old and not worth keeping, but we've also found a couple of chanterelles. So right now we're looking for some fresher lobsters. But check it out. This is kind of a similar area. We've got Oregon grape, we've got ferns, we got moss, we got a nice southeast facing slope. So I'm confident we're going to get into some lobsters here pretty good. So let's go fill our bags. Well, I think I see our first untouched, unpicked lobster. It's going to be good. Check this out. Oh yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, but feel this. It's no good.
Spongy.
Feel it. Squeeze it. Spongy. If it was good, it'd be nice and tight and firm. Unfortunately, it's a lever. So we're walking down this somewhat of a trail, and check this out. We got a nice chunky mature chanterelle here. Got another one right here. You guys can see that. A couple of buttes right here. There's a couple little ones we're gonna leave, but that's not the one I came to see. This guy and that guy were the ones I originally saw. So get off the trail if you want to find some mushrooms. Check out this big monster Bob got. What a
My
turd.
first one.
Like a Statue of Liberty, Bob.
First lobster.
And it's in great shape. We're keeping it. Mushroom bisque on our way, man. Good job. Do you guys see these clusters as I'm coming up this hill? Look at these beautiful chanterelles. Look at these guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have to take those. There's another one up there. And there's more up there. We're in the shrooms. So I want you guys to see this one little spot. See this tiny little yellow? I almost missed this one when I was looking at these. There's a couple nice ones in here, but check this out. This little tiny sliver. Watch how big this is going to be. Oh, it keeps getting bigger. Look. Oh my goodness. That tiny little sliver. Let's see what it's going to produce. Bam. Nice one there. If I get these guys out. Look at that. That tiny little sliver produced all of those mushrooms. Holy cow. That's fantastic. So I'm in this whole chunk of big batch of this sorrel. This is sorrel. You can eat it. It's good. But look. Look at this beauty. But wait, look. There's another big one back there, but he's all gooey. But that's not what I came for. I came to get this guy. But when I looked around, I saw all of his friends. Look at that. What a beaut. Look at how chunky that thing is. Awesome. So look at this guy I just found. But as I came up, look at all of these mushrooms. Look, right here. Look at these clusters here. Way back there. We got some over here, back there. And then there's a chunky one back there. Holy cow. This is like chanterelle heaven right here. This is pretty damn cool. So I'm definitely going to mark this spot on my GPS. and I'll be able to come back next year or in a couple of weeks. So I think I found my first 2 lobsters. Oh, this one's, nope, not good. Let's go to this one. He looks lighter in color. He could be good. Yes. Finally, we got a good one. We'll take it. You guys see it? Check it out. It's another lobster. Oh, I think it's gonna be a good one. Yes. What a chunky. I will take it. Look at that. Oh, by the way, when these lobsters, when you get them, you should be able to squeeze them really tight, really firm, and they should not budge. If it's spongy at all, chuck it. It's not going to be good. It's not going to cook good. It's not going to dehydrate well. It's a lever. But with a nice and light color like this one's going in a pot, so not bad for a bonehead. Well, Bob and I are wrapping it up for the day. We're heading back to the car. What an awesome day in the woods here. We found a ton of chanterelles. We found some lobster mushrooms, found some russulas. We found angel wings as well. All in all, pretty good haul for us for just a couple hours worth of work. The mushrooms are here, guys. Come and get them. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys like my channel, please subscribe, tell your friends, and I look forward to joining you in the next adventure. Thanks.